No. No sound. 30 seconds. That's not too long. Let's start again. Holy smokes.
Stop fucking doing that. Fuck.
30 seconds.
Wait,
of silence.
why are we starting over now?
Because there was sound there.
Shut up. Shut up.
No sound for 30 seconds.
There are cars driving by out there.
We can't help that.
Never think on video. Please stop doing that.
No.
Shush.
Incredible.
Why do you keep breaking the 30 seconds, Mr. Conrad?
We're doing it first of all to see if we can do it.
Well, we know
30 seconds. I don't think you can do it. I don't think you can do it. Show me
I don't think so.
Show me to be wrong. Show me to be wrong. And I'll apologize.
We don't have to prove something that we don't
Let's
want
do
to.
it.
Let's do it. Right.
Can we go to sleep?
We all know we can be quiet for 30 fucking seconds. Why can we quiet for 30
Let me
He's
just
just on
give you
video.
a hint.
Here, let's go. Once it hits the 6, we'll all be quiet.
My body.
Hold on.
Excuse me.
Hey.
My body has got to go.
Shut the fuck up.
Incredible.
Shut the fuck up.
Guys, we're about to do this.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1.
All right, we'll start again.
What?
Tapping your feet is sound.
Tapping your feet and making little noises.
So if I burp,
Fuck that, I'm playing.
That irritates you.
Incredible.
I thought we couldn't talk. Hold on, once it hits the 12. Hold on.
The temptations.
Hold on, let's go.
We'll shut off that music, please. Shut it off.
it better not be Omar.
Start again.
I'm sitting here for another 30 seconds.
Oh, what's up, Jesse?
Hey.
Could you come back in here, please?
You're hella late.
You're one of your advisees.
Alright.
Just check. Alright, let's be quiet for 30 seconds. Go back.
Goodbye.
Peace.
Hey, no, you're the best teacher, Conrad. Don't worry about it. You still writing your book? You still writing your book?
Can we just listen to the Temptations and be quiet?
30 seconds of no
You
sound.
realize that you've wasted 15 minutes
I've
almost now?
wasted?
You've wasted.
You've wasted.
10 minutes of our
It's an
advice.
experiment.
This
It's an
is advisory, not experimentary time.
I started at if we can get past this.
We know we can get past this.
I don't know that.
You have
You have to prove it to yourself.
I can be quiet for 30 seconds. I'm choosing not to be quiet for 30 seconds.
Okay, let's do it.
My body's programmed to talk every 29 seconds.
Shut the fuck up and let him talk. All we can do is leave. What? No, fuck you. So he can shut the fuck up so he can talk.
How you gonna tell him shut the fuck up?
All right.
Told you shut the fuck
You guys aren't funny. Y'all are not hilarious.
You're not either. That's why ain't nobody in your corner laughing at you. At least our corner's laughing with us.
Oh, fucking weird. In your corner is nothing but retarded people.
Why can't you just have fun?
I want to tell you something, my friend. If you are unhappy here, you can walk out the door.
I'm fairly happy. Are you unhappy, sir?
Can I leave? I'm gonna leave. This class hella irritating. I'm gonna start tripping in this bitch.
Ratchet.
Success by choice.
Hey, Nesta's back.
That's hella funny, bruh. He just walked out the window.
start again.
Alright, 30 seconds, guys. Starting. 3,
Ratchet.
1, now. It's been 30 seconds.
No.
Yes, it
Yeah.
has. Look at the clock, bro.
Hey.
All right, let me get back. Okay, let me get back.
Oh no, we gave you 30 seconds.
This is the ratchetest classroom ever.
If you're gonna be a smart ass,
Hey.
I'd rather be a smartass than a dumbass.
Hey. Smart thinking.
All
So
right,
our 30 seconds is
now
over.
hear me, all right. That was 30 seconds of silence.
Thank you.
Now what I
It's actually
started
25.
to say-
Wait, first, you said you would apologize to us if we were
I
quiet
do
for 30
apologize.
seconds. Thank you.
Bravo.
You apologize for what?
I'm apologizing. I'm apologizing for selling you short.
This is on video. This is on video. He's apologizing on
Good for
video.
you.
Thank you.
All right.
It's been 7 minutes so far.
I also apologize for thinking that a woodchuck was a bird. I was wrong.
A
woodchuck is.
Oh yeah,
actually-
so last period, we were talking in class. He thought a woodchuck was no, because I was like, how much wood could a woodchucker chuck for a woodchucker couldn't chuck wood? And he said that's grammatically incorrect. And then we went on, and then eventually he said a woodchuck is a bird. Hell to the no. It be long time. A woodchuck be bird. A woodchuck is not a bird.
A woodchuck is not a bird. A woodchuck. Okay.
A woodchuck is YB.
Essentially a rodent.
Okay, it is a rodent.
A rodent.
All right.
Okay, let's not.
All right. But look, I started to say this is an advice.
There's nobody like that.
Guys, all right, hear what I'm saying. This is an advice.
Knock at the door. I knock at the door. Hey,
That's my choice. You walked out.
it's Omar.
What's the password?
Don't tell me it's Sierra. Ratchet.
Why is this happening? All this negative air.
Oh, y'all whooped him, bruh. Oh.
They did a hit or run. Whipped his neck, bro. That was delinquent.
Now listen up. You know, this is an advisory period, but I said it's a euphemism. What does that mean?
What is what?
That advisory is a euphemism.
Oh, back here on the dictionary, it says.
It doesn't.